guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If today is the first time coming across my channel, thank you so much for coming to watch my video again. I want to show you how to make money during Christmas, and whenever we have Happy New Year, I want to show you how to make money on this website. If today is the first time coming across my channel, thank you so much for coming to watch my video again, and I really appreciate that. So let's go. Right here on this platform, you can see last year Christmas year I had 3 sales right here, why 39 uses, right? I wasn't the one who designed this thing. I just get them online and I'm using them, right? All right, so here again I have 1 sales, 2 uses. All right, here I have 30 uses, 10 sales. Imagine, then I have two sales here, 10 uses. I have 56 sales here, 4 sales here, then I have 4 sales here also. Why I got 209 uses, imagine. Then I have 1 sales here, 14 uses, 1 sales here, 18 uses, and all like that. That is 2023. Happy New Year and Christmas. So I want to show you how to make the same thing, how you can make that money between now and the next few days to Christmas and New Year. I want to show you how to do the same thing and replicate the same system on this platform. So how do you start submitting your designs on this platform, and where can you get those designs from? If you're not a graphic designer, do not worry about that. I'm going to show you what to do right now using the power of AI. The first thing you want to do, you want to sign up on this website. I'm just going to be dropping the link in the description box of this video, or you can just go ahead and check for POSTERMYWALL.com. If you check for POSTERMYWALL.com, you're going to see the site. Just sign up on the site, and then once you are in the site, log in your account. Once you log in the account, then you want to come around here and say click on new design. So I'm going to click on new design, right? Then it asks you to pick a template, but this time around you're not picking any template, you are designing from scratch. All right, so I want to do it from scratch, so let's go ahead. So click on this blank design also and pick a template that you want to use to design your design. Pick a template. So I'm going to pick a template right here. This website is still loading. There's a link in the description box of this video. You can just click the link to buy me a coffee, and I will appreciate that. So right now you can pick any of these, custom, dimension, flyer, US letter, and all. They have a lot like that. So I'm just going to click on this flyer, the US flyer. Then I'm going to click on portrait. I'm going to click on create, and then once I click on create, getting value so far in this video, and you're yet to subscribe on this channel, kindly do so by clicking on the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you will know whenever I'm dropping a video like this. All right, let's do that right now. Thank you so much. I know you've subscribed. So right now I have the template, I have my dashboard to do my design. What do I want to do next? One thing I need to do is to bring in my design and just put it here and just add 1 or 2 things there. So how do I get the design? You're going to go to the next website I want to show you right now. I'm going to go to this. So you're going to come to this next website called Leonardo.ai. Leonardo.ai is an AI website that allow you to write a prompt and generate an image or a design for you. So right now I've logged into my account. You can just create your account. I'm going to be dropping the link to this Leonardo also in the description box of this video. So let's go ahead to do this. So what I need to do now is to cancel this. Just cancel this, and then we are going to write your prompt here. So you can see from my prompt here, I have this that say Merry Christmas, design an ultra realistic HD. So I've written down that prompt already. You can do the same thing. So I want to get design on Christmas. So I'm going to do that. Then I'm going to hit the generate button down below here. Click on generate. It's going to generate the image for me, so I'm going to allow it to load. All right, so I'm going to allow, you see the one I've generated in the previous time, so I'm going to allow that to load. So it's still loading. Once it's finished loading, then we are going to download the image and take it to that site, to that poster my wall, and put it there and add 1 or 2 things there and submit it as template. So right now you can see from here it has generated an image for us, and this is beautiful. I love this second one. So what I need to do right now is to just go ahead and click on the second one. Once I click on it and click on this button, this download button right here, once I click on the button, then I'm going to allow it to pop up for me to download it again. So I'm going to click on download. Once I finish downloading that, I'm just going to go ahead and import that image in our design, right? So let's go to the second site. So right now, back to the first site. What I need to do on this site now is to upload the image we just downloaded on leonardo.ai. So what I need to do is to click on this plus sign, this add. I'm going to click on the add and then click on photo, then click from my phone. Then I'm going to wait for my phone to pop up so that I can select, then click on upload photos. Then I'm going to wait for my phone gallery. So I'm going to pick the picture and click on done. All right, click on done. Then I'm going to allow it to upload on the website. So now that it's loading, I'm going to allow it to load. Just few minutes, you're going to finish the whole thing. So you're going to drag from the edge right here to the last part, then drag again. You can see there's enough space down below, but we want to cover all the space. So what I need to do is to change the size of this template. So I'm going to click on this three dots right here, then click on resize. Then once I click on resize, I'm going to pick another size. All right, so right now I'm going to click that same flyer US letter. Then this time around I'm going to do landscape, then I'm going to do resize. So again, I'm going to click here and drag it to the last part of this place, then drag this right here, then drag again, then drag right here, then do it like this, then just try to bring it in a little bit. Just make sure it fits into the photo. All right, right now I have the picture right, and it's cool like this. What I need to do next is to just make sure I lock this picture down. So I'm going to click on this button right here. Once I click on it, it's going to show me more functions. So I don't have what I'm looking for here. I'm going to close it again, then tap on the picture once. Once I tap on the picture once, then I'm going to do this, click on this. So once I click on this, I'm going to click on position, then I'm going to click on the lock in place. That means that I've locked it. No matter what happened to it, the picture cannot move from where it is. So what I need to do is to just add few tests. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. That's what I need to add. So again, I'm going to click on the plus, and that is add again. Then click on test, then click on plain text. Then also I'm going to write what I want to in there. So I'm going to write it. So the color is not coming out, so I'm going to click on this place again. Then I'm going to just make sure I go down a bit to select another color. So I'm going to click the black color, then I'm going to hit this red also. So I'm going to close this, then I'm going to drag this, then drag the edge to make it a bit bold. Drag this, drag the edge to make it a little bit bold. So Mary, and then I'm going to just take it up a bit. So the next thing I want to do is to add Christmas down below it. I can duplicate this. So I'm going to click on this part, then click on duplicate, then close this part, then drag this one down a bit, then click on this one, then write Christmas. So when I put Christmas, what I need to do next is to drag it and set it to be in the center. So right now I have this. Then the next thing I want to do is to just go ahead and put and Happy New Year. All right, so again I'm going to click on this and duplicate it and write and duplicate, click on duplicate, close this, then drag it down a bit. Yes, I'm going to write and close it, just drag this a bit, so put it here, then duplicate, click on this one, duplicate, then close it and put in happy. So once you have happy, then duplicate, click on this, click on duplicate again, then this time around I say New Year. So as I click on new, okay, let me put it together, New Year. So just going to drag this. So right now we're done with this. What we need to do is to just make sure we just play around the color and the text, the font. All right, so that's what I want to do next now. So I'm going to click on the first one, then click on this part, then look for font, just go down a bit. Where you have font here, just click on font. Once you click on font, you're going to see many of them. So I'm going to, this, let's just play around with this Ayomi, then click on it, click on this Ayomi and Ayomi apology, then close it. Okay, I think this is good. All right, this makes sense, right? Then click on the Christmas, then do the same thing with Ayomi, just put Ayomi again, font. So once you put that again, then you close it, then it's making sense, right? So I think it's good like this. So I want to just change this happy click on it, click on font, just change the font to something else. So this time around I won't use that, I won't use AME, so I can just look for something else. So let's see the regular, let's see the regular, let's see how it looks. Okay, it makes sense. So what I need to do next is to do the same thing to year. Regular, and close it. So right now we have the, what you need to do next is to just make sure you play around with the color, you play around with the whole thing to make sure it's looking bright and awesome. All right. I think this is coming up well. So what I need to do next, I can just make sure it has a background, I mean a shadow. So let's add a shadow to the text. So happy, I'm gonna add a shadow. So click on it, just go down a bit and look for shadow. Let's say strong shadow. Okay, I think all is good. So right now everything is, what you need to do next is you just go ahead and submit this as template. Click on file. Once I click on file, then I'm going to see submit as template. Once I see submit as template, I just need to go ahead and put the title, the tag and all into that design. That's all I need to do. If you enjoyed the video already, please subscribe to this channel. Make sure you turn on the notification bell and also give this video a like. We appreciate that because I want you to be the next person that will start making money online. So here you're gonna put the name of this design. So I'm gonna put Christmas template, Christmas something, Christmas flyer, poster flyer or something like that. Poster Christmas poster flyer design. So right on the tag too, I'm gonna put the same thing, Christmas. So once Christmas design, so I'm just going to say maybe Christmas design flyer for Christmas design, Christmas flyer, Christmas poster. Just put 5 tags in there. Christmas, maybe design flyer, then Christmas 2023, Christmas design poster, flyer 2023. So this is 4, right? So Christmas design template. (2023). The reason why I'm putting 2023 so that it can be searchable, and once it's search for Christmas template 2023, mine can be part of those that will come out to. So right now from the category, I'm just gonna say Christmas. So I'm just gonna say Christmas. You have to pick just 2 there, Christmas and Christmas again. So we're gonna say this time around Christmas card. So once I do that, then I'm gonna click on this, then click on submit template design. So submit design templates. All right, so I'm gonna wait for that. So now you can see from here that I've finished submitting the design. So that's all you need to do, and once you do that, they are going to review it and approve it. So just do as many as possible and then enjoy. So thank you for watching this video. If you still want to make money online, you can check this video. It's going to help you to make money online, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.